Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to show you the best Labor Day sale of the year. International Tool is taking 20% off all Milwaukee tools, and that stacks with the existing offers and promos. So if you had buy a tool, get a free battery, you're getting the free battery plus 20% off. So it's really amazing. I have a link down below that goes to my website that shows all the different offers available and taking you to those pages. Also, it counts for clearance items, so here is a link to the clearance section. We'll take a look at that real quick. But guys, this is a really good sale compared to everything else that other stores have offered. So Acme Tools is doing 10% on orders over $199. Home Depot, Lowe's, they didn't even have anything worth mentioning in their ads. So 20% off, no minimum, and it stacks with other offers, which nowadays is unheard of with these promo codes. So the first one we're going to take a look at is save 20% on select M18 fuel kits when you purchase this drill bit accessory. So let's go over to that page real quick. So to take advantage of this deal, first we got to add the drill bits to the cart at $19.99. And then our other options, we have the 3/8 inch compact impact wrench with friction ring kit. We have a 1/2 inch with friction ring kit. We have the 3-piece combo at $5.49. We have a 2-tool hammer drill impact driver combo. 1/2 inch high torque at $4.49. See the fuel hammer drill, $4.49. Alright, so you have a ton of options. Let's choose, let's see. Let's go with the 1/2 inch compact impact wrench friction ring kit. So we're going to add that to the cart. Now view our cart. And you can see we have $3.69 for the kit, the accessory for $19.99, and then we're taking $136.83 off. And on the left we can see the discounts. We have the 20% there, an additional 20% there, so 40% off this deal. That's amazing. Second deal we have on the website is the free M18 5 amp hour battery with the purchase of a tool or kit. Our options for this offer, we have the deep cut bandsaw, we have the vacuum, we have a mid-torque impact wrench, and it looks like we're sold out on the other. So let's look at the bandsaw. Everyone wants a bandsaw. Look at our cart there. Look at that. You get the free 5, you get the bandsaw after discount $263.20. So remember, International Tool, $263 and a free 5 amp hour battery. Tool only, $379 at Home Depot. $329 at Acme, and they do have the free 5. I'm betting these aren't going to stack, but let's go and try it. From previously playing around, I already had the Labor 10 on my account, and you're seeing the 10% come off, but there's no battery here. Now let me see what happens when I remove the promo code. See, now you get the gift, but you can't get the 10%, so does not stack. CPO is all sold out. Tool nut, $329. Look at that. $263 and the battery. The next promo to look at is the free 2 amp hour battery with a tool or kit. And our options here, we got the multi-tool, the hacksaw, the 2-tool combo, or the sander. So this is basically the same promo that I did at Farm and Fleet when I bought all of the options. Except for instead of a battery, I got a $50 discount on mine, a $50 gift card. But let's go with the hacksaw. It's not the fuel version, but that's okay. Alright, so we have the free 2 amp hour battery, the hacksaw for $99. We're taking about $20 off. That's amazing. Next we have something for the M12 lineup. Get your choice of a free bare tool or battery with select M12 stubby. So here we have 9 offers. We have a 3/8 inch stubby kit, the 1/2 inch, another 1/2 inch, the 1/4 inch, the battery. We got the right angle drill, and then, okay, so these are these options. Let's go with, well, it doesn't matter. I guess they're all the same price, but just for the fun of seeing the discount. These are really good prices. Okay, so here we're getting a 6 amp hour battery. Oh man, it's a 6. $269 down to $215 with the free 6. So remember, International Tool was $215 and a free 6. Home Depot $269. Acme $269. They also give you the free battery, but we already know the deal on that. CPO $269. Northern Tool $269. Tool Nut $269. We're paying $215 with a free battery. Now this next deal is get one of your choice with select M12 fuel kit purchase. Okay, so our kit options, I like the cutoff tool right off the top, $199 for the cutoff tool kit. 1/4-inch hex impact, we got the 1/2-inch drill, got the installation driver, hammer drill kit, and then those are our free options. So I'm looking at the cutoff tool because I like it anyways. So this offer is just a little bit confusing, but I'll walk you through it here. So I added the cutoff tool kit to my cart at $199. They automatically added the ratchet as a free gift, okay? And it brings the total down to $159.20. But we had these other options. Below the kit, we have the option of the 6 battery, the floodlight, the ratchet, or the multi-tool. Now let's say I wanted the battery instead. We can add that to cart. Now you see the ratchet's gone, the battery's here, it says $99, but we have a bigger discount in the savings and we're back to the $159.20. So that's how you can select a different free tool for that offer. Now the last thing I want to show you is the clearance section because it's stacking with the clearance deals. See, we have 74 total items. That's not just Milwaukee. I guess I can filter it to make it easier on us, huh? Now we really want to pay attention to the items with the line through the price because that means they've already discounted that price. So let's look at the table saw, the M18 table saw. We're going to add that to the cart. So you see they have it priced at $5.99, and then we're going to take $119 off with that discount, bringing it down to $479.20 for that M18 table saw. Let's see, what else do we got? Well, there's several pages for you to look through on this one. We got a pack out case. Everyone likes the pack out stuff. Let's see what the discounted price on that is. So it's $79.97 and brings it down to $63.98. Keep in mind they have free shipping on orders over $199. But there it is, guys. I'll let you look through the rest of the clearance or even just the stuff that's not on sale. If it's full price but it's something that doesn't go on promo very often, perfect time to pick that stuff up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.